Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying that you control the recovery email already listed. That prevents lockout later. Open your account's security or personal info page and locate the recovery email field, then click Edit. Once done, type the secondary email exactly and confirm by sending a verification message. Check that inbox on a separate device. Make sure to avoid using a shared or work address. Use a private account you can access long-term to receive recovery codes and reset links. You now verify the change by sending the provider's confirmation code to your recovery address, so open that email and copy the code. Once done, paste the code into the account settings to confirm the recovery email. This binds that address to account recovery flows. Make sure to also enable two-step verification right away because a verified recovery address plus 2FA greatly reduces risk. If prompted, review recovery options and mark the address as primary for password resets. You finish by testing the recovery path. Initiate a password reset and choose the recovery email to receive the reset link, confirming the end-to-end flow works. Once done, follow the reset link and verify you can regain access. This proves the setup. If the message never arrives, check spam or filters and repeat verification. Key troubleshooting tip: if verification emails are blocked, temporarily whitelist the sender and retry. Then lock settings back down after successful confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.